No, I made my return tonight. I think I left a mark on who I needed to leave the mark on. Didn't exactly win money in the bank, but I am one of the best here at XCW. I've proven that in the past 2 years. I proved I was better when I was just doing FWL. But here we are, just a couple days after Halloween Havoc, and I'm plotting for my next move. And I've been saying on my page, I'm coming back with a vengeance, and I'm not bullshitting. Motherfuckers, watch your back in the back, and we're going to be done.